Shoot McGlitch. Thank you so much for coming out. I can stop sharing. I want to show you guys that. I'm so cute. Okay. Alrighty. So thank you so much for coming out. Yeah, this particular one is a little bit shorter. I'm going to be getting into doing the copy for the products next time. I wanted to do it this week, but I said to myself yesterday, we did almost about like a full hour about, I think it's sitting at like about 48 minutes, something like that. So that was really extensive. So I said, you know what, let's go a little bit lighter today. Let's focus more on like just showing you like pure examples, and then we're going to actually show you like how I do it, how I make that happen and everything like that. Um yeah, I feel very confident with that. Feel good with that. And as always, thank you so much for coming out. Make sure you stream the music, make sure you buy the books, make sure you buy the products, make sure you keep an eye out for all of the future products that are coming out and projects that are coming out. Okay. All right. Jimmy Good. Have a beautiful day.